Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Hyundai Elantra Premium sedan. Stock reference number 4736. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2011 through to the 11th month 2015. It has a G4NA 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NA 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Tidy bumper cover. A few little scratches, but still good. Park sensor type. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail boot lid garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.